Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Happy Mask Monday, ladies. It is Monday again, and today I have a mask that I don't think I've ever used before, and it's by Acure, and it's called Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. And so it comes, this is a sample size that I received in one of my boxes, and so I'm really interested in trying this. And also, I want to share with you from mail, all the way from Lockport, New York. And so, yeah, if you're interested in those things, and also the winner for last week's Mask Monday giveaway, please do stay tuned. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys are doing well. And again, another week goes by, and I swear, spring is just gonna zip by me, and the next thing you know, it's gonna be summer, and it's gonna be Christmas again, guys. These years are going by so fast, but you know what? I'm gonna enjoy every minute of every day. So anyway, and I want you to do the same. Okay, let's see if we find an interesting motivation. Okay. I'm looking because I want to pick something today. I don't want to zoom because I'm in a mood for something. You know what I mean? I'm in that mood. Okay. Let's see. Okay, here's a good one. And this is a good affirmation to say, when you're waking up in the morning, first thing I open my phone and see the affirmation. And I am surrounded by people who believe in me. And I truly do believe this. And in my life, I have been so fortunate to be surrounded by those who really care about me and who believe in me and who believe it and what I am doing. And you guys are just one of those groups of people. But still, you guys are so important to me. And, I just feel like when you make comments and you kind of start a dialogue and you watch my videos, I just feel so supported. And so, I don't know, so lucky, so blessed that I have you guys out there. And so I just want to say thank you for that. And, I think that's pretty much, how I love my life and how I live my life is surrounding myself by those who believe in me. But that's a choice too. Recently, I've been talking to you guys about choice, making the right choices. Sometimes we make the wrong choices, but we do have to live with the consequences. But sometimes we make the wrong choice knowing this is not the right choice, but we do it for whatever reason, right? And surrounding yourself with people who believe in you is a choice too. And, sometimes you might come across people that you really don't feel comfortable with and you just don't want to interact with those type of people, then, you have a choice. Don't interact with them. Even at work, right? I mean, I get it. You have to work with those that you work with, and then you just, you just let it roll off and just ignore them. Sometimes I know it is hard to ignore some of these annoying people, but try to and surround yourself with those who believe in you and be one of those who believe in someone too, okay? Okay, that's that. So anyway, let's go ahead and try this Brightening Vitamin C Jelly Mask. I love brightening masks. I don't know why, but that's my favorite type of masks, right? And so what does this one say about it? And Acure, no, it's Acure. Acure is a clean company, and they do sell these at Whole Foods because I have seen them. And this is a mega brightening jelly mask packed with 2 types of vitamin C, ferulic acid, and brightening banana flower extract. And it says, we believe the skin wellness means helping your skin thrive with soothing hydration and botanical ingredients thrive on. And it says directions: apply a thin layer to face and let it sink in for 10 minutes, wash away and pat dry. Okay, and it is cruelty-free, and once I open it, it'll be good for 6 months because it is vitamin C. That makes sense. And there is no fragrance by the looks of this. Everything is natural. It is clean beauty. And so let's go ahead and give it a try. And I do have my little paddle with me, but this is quite small. I don't know if the paddle's going to fit in there, but okay, that's how it is. Okay, it comes in a little glass jar, and this is a travel size. I hope it comes with a, oh, okay, comes with a little like cap. So I'm going to go ahead and pop that off. It doesn't have any fragrance. Okay, does this fit? No, I can make it like kind of like this. Oh, it's very jelly-like. I mean, I don't know if you can see that. I'm going to go ahead and, you see, I don't want it to slip off. You see, it's a very jelly-like. Ah, look, you see? That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and put that on here and here. It's surprising because, I mean, it looks like it has some extracts, but I expected it to smell like something, but it doesn't. Okay, you know what? I'm going to do this with my hand because it's the easiest. Yeah, here we go. Oh, wow, okay. I like it. It does have a slight scent. It reminds me of like one of my toners, and it's, you know, it is clean beauty and all that, so I know there's no chemicals. So let's go ahead and put this on, do my clock for 10 minutes, timer, 10 minutes already on there. Okay, so I just want to go ahead and close this up. I'm going to have to use this right away because if it's only good for 6 months, it's going to go bad quickly. And if I forget about it, yeah, it's not going to be good. All right, let me just go ahead and wipe this off. It's not sticky or anything. It's almost watery. Very nice. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, I gotta sneeze, guys. Hold on. Excuse me. God bless me. Yeah, thank you. Anyway, I usually go, shoo, but that one I can tell is a little tickle, so I say, you know, I'm just gonna sneeze. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to like edit this. Going, hold on 1 minute. Chew. Okay, blow nose. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, so here we go. And this is from Jenna, actually, and she lives in Lockport, New York, and she is a very good friend of mine, and she is very special to my heart. And she does have some trials, and, you know, in her life, but she just has so much energy and so much positivity that I really respect her a lot, you know. I mean, some people, when they have challenges, health challenges, they kind of like, you know, give up. And they really don't do the things that they could actually do, and they feel sorry for themselves. But, you know, Jenna is not that. She's totally the opposite. She does things, and she made a video for me one day, which I still play it. And it just, you know, I mean, it's just so sweet. And she just has so much, how would you call that? She has so much, like, not energy, but she has so much spirit, you know? And so, okay, here we go. Oh, she made me a card. Oh, how sweet. And looks like this is a Ramadan lantern. And take a look. It looks like she used watercolor on it. It has the lantern with the candle with the little flame. Oh, very nice. Thank you so much, Jenna. Let me see what it says inside. Happy Ramadan. Alexis, you are a beautiful a treasure, friend in every way. I love you, Jenna. Happy Ramadan. Oh, look how cute. Look at these stickers. You're the best. And then she's got the cat and a plant. Aw, she's thinking about the things that I love. Oh, and take a look. Oh, that is so sweet, Jenna. Thank you so much. This means so much to me. And, you know, I mean, I love the watercolor. And I love your imagination. I can't even draw a straight line, you know. It's like, I can't draw a stick man because I can't make him upright, or the torso's too long, or the head is like too big or too small. Yeah, but this is so very beautiful. Thank you so much. It means so much to me that you actually think about me and you take your time to do something so sweet. And yeah, I love you back and thank you so much. So yeah. And okay, so let's go ahead and move on. I will put this in a very special place, Jenna. Thank you. And so, okay, now what else am I? I'm all out of discombobulated because I'm like all touched. And okay, oh yeah, the winner. Okay, let's go to commercial break, guys. Let's see who the winner is. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are, Mask Monday Ladies Giveaway. This is our weekly mask giveaway, and this week it is a selection from last week. And so I have already copied the YouTube, no, it's a YouTube URL from last week's video. I did filter duplicate users, so everybody gets one fair try, and we filtered comments based on a specific text, and the word was cotton. Okay, do you remember that? It was cotton. So let's see how many people participated. Oh, 25, not too bad. So 25 people did participate and used the word cotton. And let's see who the winner is. Here we go. Okay, Crystal Vargas. Good morning, Alexis. Happy Mask Monday. Congratulations to the winner. Cotton pajamas are the best to wear when pampering ourselves with masks. I wish you a great week. Okay, Crystal, let's see if you are subscribed to me publicly. And that is the next step we'll check. So here we go. This is Crystal's channel. And, oh, Crystal, you are not public. You have to be public in order so I can see that you are subscribed to me. Okay, well, guys, you know, I usually don't like to leave this part like this, but yeah, I just want to make sure that you guys know that you have to be publicly subscribed, okay? And there is a lot of videos out there on making sure how to do that, and I actually had a link on my video for a long time on how to do that, and I have not run into this in a while. So what I will have to do is I have to go back and I will have to pick another winner, and it allows me to do that through here. And I'm sorry, Crystal, but we must follow, you know, rules, and it wouldn't be fair if yeah, I'm sorry. Okay, so here we go. Let's pick another winner. Okay, Melissa Duggar, and she said, hi, Alexis. I found an awesome clearance and got 2-piece pair of cotton pajamas for $1. Wow, that's really a good deal, Melissa. Love when I can find deals like that. Congratulations to the winner. Happy belated Mask Monday. Happy Easter. And so let's see, Melissa. Let's go and see if you are subscribed publicly. And I think you are, if I remember right. And here we go. She has all the channels listed publicly. And I will go ahead and go all the way to the bottom. Unless I see me and I just saw me. But you know what? I'm going to go ahead and go all the way to the bottom. Okay, here we go. And we're going to say Command F. And we Haute. And there it is. She is publicly subscribed to me and I do show up here. And so, alrighty, Melissa, congratulations. And let's hop on over to our regular programming so I can congratulate you some more. Alrighty, here we go. Okay, welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers, and congratulations, Melissa. You won yourself a week's worth of nice masks, and please do reach out to me within 48 hours and let me know, either by email, and you know the drill, or what is that? I almost said Facebook. Not Facebook, Instagram, right? Okay. And just DM me your name and your address. Melissa, I mean, you really don't have to. Just let me know you watched it, because I think I do have your address from before that you asked me to keep. And so, but if you moved or anything, do send me your address, okay? And congratulations again. And you guys know it is getting really close to that 1,000 beautiful wildflowers, and that's going to be exciting. And anyway, before I keep going, I did wash it off, but it feels really tight. It is feeling kind of like drying, but not really drying, but it just still feels tight. But I can see it is actually, it feels like it is brightened, but you know, it's probably my imagination. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my neutralizing toner, and this is by Dermatology. I do love the company. I use a couple of their products. Okay. As it's kind of sitting there. Oh, I love the way it feels, because it's just so refreshing. And this is, let me see, balances skin pH and contains anti-aging nutrients. So, and reduces formulation of fine lines and wrinkles. So, yeah, I do like this. So, anyway, what did I think about this? It's pretty good, I think. Is this something I would use again? Yeah, I think I'll use it again, maybe, you know, and at the end of the week or so. And you know, there's not a whole lot here. So once I use it up, will I buy more? Probably not, depending on how it's, you know, distributed. I don't like mask, especially jelly mask in a jar like this, because especially it's clear, number one. This is supposed to be vitamin C, and vitamin C oxidizes very quickly, and light. Doesn't have to be sunlight, and light. And it oxidizes with the introduction of oxygen. And this is kind of like, you know, even though it's closed like this, it's still an open jar. And so the surface area that the oxygen would actually touch would be larger than if it was like in a pump. If it's in a pump, perfect. I probably would buy it because I do like it, but it depends on how it's packaged in. I'm going to have to check it out because that was actually pretty nice. And I do feel like it worked. So yeah, and I do prefer these more than like sheet masks for some reason. I just feel like the sheet masks don't do a whole lot, but it's nice for like relaxing if I want something relaxing instead of I want something like really to do something. So yeah, I don't know, go figure. Okay, anyway, beautiful wildflowers. I think that's it. Well, if I added any value, please do hit like. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you like this type of content and you want to win, and also you just saw what happened to the previous winner, please, please, please make sure you are subscribed to me and publicly subscribed to me. I mean, you may be privately subscribed. I don't know that. And if I can't see it, then I can't say that you are. So it's really important that you do subscribe. This actually happened to somebody else, and in the week after, and they subscribed, and the week after they won anyway. So it wasn't too bad. I didn't feel so bad that time. But yeah, make sure you guys do subscribe. And what you do is you look for a button that looks like that below, and you must hit that button and ring the bell and select all, so you know every time I upload a brand new video. Alrighty, my beautiful wildflowers, I want you to have a good week. But I want you to have a good day too. Good weekend, good night. Depends when you're watching this, right? It doesn't matter, unless of course you're trying to win the giveaway, and you might want to watch it this week. Alrighty, enough of that. So anyway, I do want you to have a safe week. And remember, in the field of roses, be a wildflower and never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Okay guys, anyway, I really love this card. I mean, she put so much thought into it, you know. Jenna, I mean, if you're watching, I truly do appreciate this. I know how hard it is for you and how challenging it is for you to do something that we probably take for granted. And I respect you so much for that. And, you know, I just think you have such a beautiful soul to take your time and doing something that is so difficult for you to do just to make me smile. And, you know, I do truly appreciate that, guys. Look. This is just so beautiful. And I mean, I just think she just did such a great job. And I love how she, you know, glued this on and glued on the cat. And really thought through what I really love. And, you know, I just want to cry. You know, I'm so blessed, guys. I'm so blessed by such beautiful people in my life. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys are having a good spring so far. And I hope you had a really good Easter. I am going to really do the giveaway, and I've pulled out a lot of stuff already. I just haven't decided exactly if I'm going to do two boxes or one box and possibly one gift card. I don't know yet. I haven't decided, but I'll decide something anyway. So, but I do need to film something for you guys, okay? So anyway, I love you all, and I want you to be safe. Make sure you just love yourself every single day, okay? Because I love you all. Mwah.